No me. Anka. Another bite. Whoa, it's so good. Yummy, 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 yummy. Good boy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Solomon. Mama. Da. Eat your food. Get your finger in your mouth. That must be a tasty finger. Good job, buddy. And another big bite for my buddy. Ooh, messy eater. Keep it going for a couple of minutes so we can put it on YouTube for the grandparents.
Mommy, you know what Solly is?
What's Solly?
Solly, messy monster.
He's a messy monster. You the messy monster. Oh, stop that finger. Mama.
Then you know what?
Da.
Whoever steals your ice cream gets roughhouse.
Solly Wally doodle all today. Yeah. Whoop. Careful there, bud. Yummy. What's that? Another egg. Oh, Daddy.
Thought you had it.
Is it yummy? This is Solomon Christopher Jacob Way at 6 months old. Mama. Are you looking at your handsome dad? Hey? Da. Look at him feed himself. What a big boy. Okay, girls, on the count of 3, say Merry Christmas. 1, 2, oh, never mind.
No, do it.
You don't have your pants on. You took your pants off because you made a mess on them.
Please. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Nomi.
Okay, Mommy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Solomon, say Merry Christmas.